In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a roller coaster. The first thing you need is a car. My car is quite simple. Just add some necessary details such as wheels, a lap bar, then combine all objects together. Now go to Side View and click on EP Curve tool. Draw a path. Holding right click, select Control Vertex. Hit B to activate soft selection mode, and move the last vertex until you get the loop. Create another curve. That will be the path to the beginning. Each next hill must be lower than the previous one. Before connecting the curves, place their ends as close to each other as possible. When it's done, select both curves and click on Attach Curves. Clear history and delete the reference curves. Select the new curve and go to Create Sweep Mesh. Change the number of sides. Check Distribute. Set 2 for the number of instances. Scale the instances down. Scale down Profile and increase Precision. Then rotate Profile until the beginning of the rails is level. Select the car, go to Mesh tab and create Mesh Network. Add Curve Node. Holding middle click, drag the curve into input box. Go to Distribute tab. Reduce the number of points and distance. If the car facing the wrong direction, just rotate the original object. Make sure that the end and the beginning are matching. Simply move control vertices of the curves until you get a satisfying shape. Now we can make a supported structure. I'll start with support ties. Create a base object out of a cube. Select the object and create one more mesh network. Add curve node. Drag the same curve into input box. Increase step to its maximum. Go to Distribute tab and set the number of points up to your preferences. If the mesh objects aren't suitable, just change the shape of the original mesh. Now let's make a support tube. Select the curve and go to Create Sweep Mesh. Scale down Profile and increase Precision. Check Align and change Vertical Offset. If we are not planning to change the track, we can select the second mesh object and click on Delete History. Then delete the mesh network and the base object. To make the main support, I'm going to create one more sweep mesh. Select Arc in Sweep Profile. Place it in such a position that the upper edge is inside the tube. Select the outer edges and extrude them down. Delete the loop part. Delete some edges gathered in small place. Add one edge in the middle. Select the object and click on Triangulate. Create a cube. Create a mesh network. Select Mesh in Distribute type box. Drag the mesh you just made into input box. Select Edge and check Flat Mesh. Make the original object thinner. Now you can make the base support object invisible. To make mesh object fit on every edge, check Enable Scaling. You can also add some joints between every beam. Create a cube, make it smooth. Create a mesh network and repeat the same steps, but instead of edge, choose vertex in the method box. The last step is to make more cars. Go to first mesh network, increase the number of points. Go to Curve tab and change the value of step. Play the animation to see if the cars are hitting each other at some points and correct the step value if needed.